We all know when it snows, the surroundings become somewhat beautiful. It blankets the place clean, pristine, and white. It opens up a picturesque landscape so enchanting one can sometimes imagine heaven here on earth. But when snow doesn't stop for days, and there is so much that a place can take, snow becomes a scourge, one that is dreaded as it disrupts classes and work, causes frostbites and hypothermia, and it disturbs life and movement. In short, the snow becomes dangerous. That's the kind of snow, more often than not, that is common in Utqiagvik, a small town at the edge of the viewport and Chukchi Seas, some 340 miles north of the Arctic Circle and about 1,300 miles away from the North Pole. Snowing is a year-round affair, which makes the old sayings very true in Utqiagvik. When it rains, it pours. As if snow is not enough, it will be accompanied once in a while by icy winds where temperatures drop to negatives, which puts everyone at greater risk for freezing coldness, frostbites, and hypothermia. At worst, when a snowstorm lasts for more than 3 hours or more, a blizzard it becomes, where large amount of snow keeps pouring in, sustained by strong winds and blowing snow, reducing visibility at its lowest that blinds anything from view, making driving or movement or being caught right in the heart of a total whiteout that turns to be extremely dangerous. Such is the snow condition in Utqiagvik that the town grapples with yearly, that blankets the entire place white, so ironically beautiful to say. Again, that's for now of Utqiagvik. Good day and good night. Layer up, please.